Hello, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel Ride with Passion and Explore by Saji Matthew. Today, I'll be doing an unboxing video of the MacBook Pro 14 inches M3 chipset, which is got. I'll just show you, and we'll unbox it in front of you, and we'll see this now. So, this is what I purchased from iPlanet, which is in Indiranagar. It's a brand store, Indiranagar, Bangalore. So, this is it. This is the box, the casing what they have given. It looks like this. This is MacBook Pro mentioned here. Then there is some manufactured by Apple and all that stickers here. You can see this with the QR code, the Apple logo here, again MacBook Pro printed here, and the logo again here. This is it, and behind the box, this is the black edition, but mine is space gray, which I have taken. In M3 you get only space gray. I think M3 Pro and Max Pro chipset you get the new black edition, but this is space gray. And behind you can see what's written here. It's 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M3 chip. It's got 16 GB unified memory, 1 TB SSD. So this is the configuration. Rest maybe if you go on Apple website, you'll get all the details. So let's do the unboxing now. So they have given some tabs here, which is marked with the green arrow. As you can see here, two places. I think we need to pull this out. See, this is the way you pull this out. One tab, the other one below. Pull this also out. So this is done. Next, I think you need to just show you how to open it like this. Yeah, push and take the cover out. So this is the cover. We'll keep it aside. Then see, this is what it is. There's a thin transparent sheet covering it. You can see here logo. Then you need to pull this out like this. I think you get the laptop out like this. So then this transparent sheet, you need to open it from all the directions. This is it, comes off like this. As you can see, space gray, so thin it is, and MacBook Pro engraved here with the rubber shoes for placing it on a desk or a table. And what else? Here you can see some printed stuff here. That's it. This is it. Now we will open it. I think we need to, 1 second. Yeah, we need to open it from this side. There's a slot here. We open like this again. So it's woken up. You can see the logo here, and there's again a small thin kind of a butter paper here. You just remove it. It's when you open itself, it's become active. You can see this. It's logging in. Initial setup. So it's showing different languages. can see this. You click. Yeah. Now I think you need to do all the setups by selecting the language. See, there is English, India.
हिंदी को प्राथमिक भाषा के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करने के लिए रिटर्न की दबाएं.
See, it's giving, first it's showing Hindi because I purchased in India.
To use
Second,
English as the main language, press the return key.
so now you need to press the return key here. English as main language, it's showing. So I do that. One nimisha. So now it's asking the region. India. Again, I think I'll select your country. Press escape to here. Okay. Voice or triple. Continue. No.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Select. So setup we will do it in some time. Okay, so this is just unboxing, so I'll need some time to do all that. So I'll keep the laptop aside. Now let's see what else comes in the box. Now you can see the box remaining is the charging cable. This is, I think, braided cable of good quality. You can see this. Then you have some instruction manual here. Instruction manual. Then what else we have in this? We have some MacBook Pro, some stickers. Now this is the new thing. The stickers are in black. Earlier it used to be white. It's in black. 2 stickers they have given. So this is the instruction manual. Yeah, that's it in this. Then the charging 70-watt charging brick is also included. Charging brick is included in the laptop, but I don't think they are giving with the iPhones now. We need to purchase it separately. So this is it, the charging block. And nothing else in this as such. It's a neat box. That's it. So we'll put this aside. Yeah. So that's it for unboxing of MacBook Pro 14 inches. If you say the exact configuration of all this, if you say, I can just read it out to you. 1 second. I think it's an 8-core. Where is it? Just check 1 second. It should be here. 14 inches. Okay, I think I read this out to you. 14 inches MacBook Pro with M3 chip, 16 GB unified memory, 1 TB SSD, 8 core, and then I think 16 GB, 8 cores. What was that? 1 second. 8 core and 10 core. I think this was that. Anything I'll have to open and see. I'll let you know. I will see that later. Okay, fine. Thanks for joining in, and keep supporting. This is a small video, unboxing video of MacBook Pro 14 inches. Thank you very much.